ladies and gentlemen, good day. As you can see, this 4x4 gearbox has a leakage. Because why? Because of the 4x4 drive boot on loose. Okay, now I'm about to install the boot for the gearbox. Same, most of the boot loose. Okay, I'm about to install the boot and fix the boot tight. Both the gearbox sitting or slack be tight. After, they will go down from the ramp and check the gear oil before you can proceed. Okay, I want you people to subscribe and punch the notification bell and like. Thank you and God bless. Second, I wish you happy Christmas in advance. Bye.